Changing your username on Discord is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access it via a web browser by logging into your account. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface next to your username. Click on it to open the User Settings menu. Step 3. Select My Account. In the User Settings menu, find and click on the My Account tab on the left sidebar. This section contains your account information. Step 4. Edit username. Look for the username field. Click on the Edit button next to it. Enter your desired new username in the provided field. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, you may need to enter your password for verification. Once done, click the Save button to apply the changes. Now you have successfully changed your username on Discord. Enjoy your new identity in the community.